Alright, well, believe it or not, there she goes. Back on the ground again. Oh, she's back on the ground again. It's weird to see it like that. I know you probably can't tell, but for me it's really weird to see it like that. Yeah. Oh, down she goes. Oh, look at that. Holy cow. I don't know if you can see that, but it's crazy. This thing is just... I don't know if you can see that. It's fucking funny. It's extra funny. That is just bouncy. Man, I forgot how... Oh, that's wobbly. Wobbly, wobbly. Yeah, I thought you could see that. Maybe you can. I don't know. That is super bouncy compared to the... wow, that thing, it just rocks like a boat. I know you can't see it. I'm sorry. I'll quit talking about it. The old suspension off the white car is on this car now. And, she rocks. Yeah, I was hoping to get a little residual bounce. Anyways, got home, got off work, said screw it. Just a shitty rainy day, so let's get this thing back together. Threw the rack and pinion steering back in. Tossed the transmission back on there. Put that mount in the back on, this mount in the front on. Tighten that guy down. Finished putting the axles back in. Attached them with nuts. Put tires back on. And now, you saw it, I just lowered it. Just down there. On the ground. Higher off the ground than she's been in a while. You can actually see under there. That's crazy. That thing would barely fit under it before. Just like it barely fits under the white car now. Yeah, I figured I'd toss this little video quick here together before I get lost. Try to remember everything I did. I'm not going to put the starter in. I'm just leaving that. I might have some old spark plug cables I can throw on there. There's the wire harness. I pulled everything off of the green car that I wanted, including this guy, which is a super long wire. Very long, big, thick, nice wires there. So my dream of building my engine harness has gotten a little bit closer. For now, it just kind of hangs out on my bike pad, but it's nice to get this space. I'll be able to clean this up, figure out what to do with my old hood now that I got it. I forgot that it was all mangled. Yeah, I can't really see it, but you can see right there, it's pretty mangled. That's the cheesy little Nismo. You can see my shark decal before it got screwed up. Some other funny little decals, Minnesota, little goldfish. Yeah, grumpy cat, monkey on a bike. Of course, feels burn there. I think that's it for those. Oh, Mr. Bill Murray. I'm gonna have to start those again. Figure out if I want to paint the car white or inside the hood. I don't know. All right, well, yeah, that's where I'm at. Nice rainy day. I'll just clean up a little bit. Maybe see if I can't get this hood back on there. Bent and then closed. All right.